Hey guys, Fuzzy here, and welcome to the Rage game. Yeah. Geometry Dash. Thank you. So today, I am doing stuff. Okay, so, I'm playing the Rage game, obviously, and, they have added a bunch of new maps, so, yeah, but I'm starting off with practice because I haven't played this game in forever. At one point, I had gotten really good at it, but then I got rid of it because it was taking up room on my tablet, so there's that. And if you have or have not noticed, I'm editing. Yes, narrator, editor. Yeah, hi. And so I'm trying to edit, but I have like really sucky editors that just like I'm the editor, literally. So and yeah, stuff. What am I even saying? I don't even know. But yeah. Ugh, dang it. Rage. Oh, I almost made it like halfway. Dang. I didn't even realize. Like 45%. Jeez. Guess I am pretty good. Yeah. I'm good. And I know that I normally have music, but this music is a lot better. I wasted my time turning up the music. So, and if you can tell, I make excuses for like why I lost. When, yeah, I was about to say something, but then I'm like not encouraging myself. But in the edit, I'm probably gonna say it because my narrator is not nice. Yeah. What am I rambling about? Yeah. Oh, by the way, I just realized I hit 100 subscribers! I'm so happy! I, like, literally almost screamed there. Like, I mean, seriously. And I'm friends with a YouTuber who has, like, 700 subscribers. There's that. Like, yeah. And, I might try to, like, do a collab once we, like, connect with each other. Like, I've only known them on, like, this one chat app, so, yeah. And if you're wondering why I haven't gone on practice mode yet, it's because, practice mode is very frustrating, because sometimes it, like, leaves a spawn point, like, right before, like, a death zone, so, like, you just get trapped there for all eternity, and then you can, like, never beat the game in practice mode. It rages. I mean, and I know you can reset, but then it just puts it back in the same place. It's like, why? So, practice mode is, like, the ragiest mode. It's supposed to help you, but no, it makes it worse. So kawaii. Wouldn't it be squashed? Oh my god. That is adorable. I'm not getting the game though, but anyways, I think I'm ready to try out a one of the levels I haven't tried yet. I actually haven't tried Dry Out before. I mean, like, I literally got the game and there was, like, 2 levels. Dang it, Rage. Told you this is a Rage game. I mean, that, like, Undertale-like game was a Rage game, definitely. But, like, this is the ultimate Rage game. That one jump, though. It hates me. God! See, I'm terrible at this game. I get anxious. And I jump too soon. Like, once I get going, I do pretty good, but... I jumped! I hate this. Why do I put myself through this stuff? Why am I not getting any achievements? Rage! We've already been rude. Oh my god. Okay. I'm done. Jumper. Because that's a rage face. The jumper face was my face. Just saying. The jumper one isn't that bad. You just kind of like have to like spam jump. And like they added more levels in between. So I've played this jumper one before too. I think that was just beginner's luck because now I'm sucking. God dang it. Once I got to like literally, I seriously once got to 500 attempts and I didn't finish and I was like, rage! And I like rage quit. It's a lot more interesting. It's a lot more interesting if I like switch between a bunch of different levels, but I don't have the full version, so. Oh my gosh. You know what? Heck no. And another thing, the music for the practice mode is awful. It like distracts me from my game zone. Oh, I hate the upside down one. I hate my life. Why does it have to be dang ads? Gosh, okay. It's dang music. Oh my gosh, I keep getting anxious. I'm an anxious person. Like, honestly, I'm a really anxious person. Oh my gosh. Does it just curse me? Okay, I was about to say, like, did it just curse me? Oh my gosh. It definitely cursed me. Oh my gosh. It flipping cursed me. I'm like spamming tab and it's just not tapping. See, this is what I mean. Take back one. Jesus. Oh my gosh. It just, okay, I was about to say, like, did it just curse me again? But no, okay. Why do I keep getting anxious? Oh my gosh. I was about to say, like, move it up. Oh my gosh. I either don't tap at all. Oh my gosh, no. 71. Guys, I'm already at attempt 71. That's how. Oh my gosh, finally. What? How was I supposed to know that was the rocket thing? Oh my gosh, no. I hate the transfer. It's like you can never get the right thing. Oh my gosh. I hate this. I hate this. Why do we suck at this? If only we just freaking make it. God. Okay. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Oh my gosh. I'm legitimately gonna rage.